All right, today we're going to review the Perfect Shot training aid. I've been playing around with this for the last few weeks, and I have to say, somewhat impressive. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. Basically, it's very simple. Go ahead, place the Perfect Shot on top of your object ball. Make sure that arrows lined up into the pocket. And basically what it does is simulates the position of the ghost ball. So we want the cue ball to hit where this red dot is right here. So no matter what angle we're on, whether we're here, again, it's simulating the ghost ball position. So it's much easier for a beginner to be able to focus on that red dot. Let's just say this is, fairly simple cut shot. And it does what it's supposed to do. It will fly off the table. It's a super high impact plastic. All right, now here's another angle. This is a cross cut. It's going to be definitely a little bit more difficult. Now, this would be a great training aid. Again, like I said, when you're just starting out, all you got to do is aim at that red dot. So no matter what angle you're on, again, just face it towards that corner. Well, I should say face it towards the pocket. Here's a great example if this was a combination shot. Let me get over here and line this shot up. All right, so now we have those two balls. We have the striped ball, solid ball. I'm going to place my Perfect Shot. Line it up to exactly where I know I need to hit on that red 3 ball. It should be right here. So now I have the Perfect Shot lined up with that 3 ball. Let's say, this would be, there's some distance between the stripe and the solid, so this is not a relatively easy combination shot, especially for a beginner. But here we line up, take the shot. It works every time. As long as you take the time and line that arrow up and make sure it's level when you're sitting on top of your object ball, because that will change. If you had it sitting like that, it does change where that imaginary ghost ball position would be. So that's the way you want it set up. It works great. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. This is great for a beginner. Give them a general idea of how do I make that striped ball in that corner pocket. It will show them where the angle is that they need to cut that ball. So again, it's very simple. It's going to take the place of the ghost ball. As you can see, that's where you would need to hit. This would normally be the ghost ball position right there. And this takes that place. It's a very, very simple tool. I'll leave a link in the description below where you could check this item out.